Hello guys, my name is Aleva Shondo and I'm the lead photographer at Aleva Photography. Today I want you guys to follow me behind the scene and watch how I do my shoot, and hopefully you can learn one or two things. With me, I'm using a Nikon D750 today. This is a Nikon 85mm lens, and I have a Godox X1 Pro trigger because it has a TTL mode and it's the perfect combination for outdoor shoot. I love using it. And my lighting, let me show you. Here I have a system, Godox AD600 Pro with an umbrella, and I get a beautiful model. You can check her out on Instagram at Nadia Aperture, and her beautiful makeup was done by beauteporch. Please check her out on Instagram. So I'm interested in the sunlight here because I just have one light here, but I want to make a two light setup using the sun as my ambient light. You can see that the sun is hitting on her back, which I would like that to also show. And with the aid of my AD600, I'm going to light her face and then use a reflector to fill up the shadows under her neck and noses and nose. This is what I'll be using as my reflector. Why? It reflects light kind of rather than the other reflector there, which is kind of harsh. So I want my light to be kind of soft. So let's play along. There you go. So let's forget. I'm going to put up my settings for you to see my aperture, shutter speed, ISO, and my power. I know that of course I'll be using a very high power out here because it's kind of sunny. So alright, so one thing I want to do is bring the light closer to her. I'm using my umbrella inverted because I want it this way. Probably our later courses I'm going to show you different types of lighting and how to position it. Well, I think you can better because of the audio. Yeah, if you are far, you won't really hear what I'm saying. So, first of all, I would like to shoot and expose for the background without my light. So let's try this. I don't have a light meter, and this is the perfect way to do this. So you can see that the sun is hitting over her shadow, over her shoulders. So this is what I'm interested in. Let this light show, and then my own light is going to fill up the shadows in front. First, I'll be shooting without my light. So you can see this. I don't know if you can see very well. This is before I turn on my light. I'll be doing now is just to set the power output of my light using my trigger here. And that's one thing I like about the X1 Pro. I'm getting there now. So I think X1, one of my 8 will work for me. Alright, so okay, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. I like that. Alright, so now just your eyes over there. No, my face. It was your eyes here. Your eyes. My finger. My finger. Yeah. Eyes. Okay. Now your face a bit towards me. Turn your head towards me a bit. Alright, now you go this way. Okay. So I think that will do for this shoot. If you want to see the pictures that I've just taken out, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Nadia Photography, where you see post-production of this YouTube picture I've just taken here. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Nadia Photography so that you see more behind-the-scenes photos. I think for now it's a wrap. So I'll also put raw files for photographers that are interested in editing the pictures, where we'll do a challenge. Let's see who brings out the best of pictures from this shoot. Thank you all. Guys, so I want us to go through the pictures that we took outside and see how it went out. Now, I was trying to make us understand that you set for your background, which you can see this is what I tried achieving with the sun hitting on her shoulders from behind, and then this is without my light, without my Godox AD600. This is just natural light. So by the time I introduce a natural light, you can see the next picture. This is when I introduce the natural light. Of course, you can see she has shadow under her eyes and her chin, her nose. So I want to go away with the shadows. And then the next is going to be with the reflector. The reflector is filling it up, but okay, this looks kind of dark. So let's check the next out. So at least you can see what I was able to get out there. So this looks like a 2-light setup now, where you have one light coming in front of her and the other light coming behind her. I believe this looks very beautiful. Yeah, the post-production is going to take care of every other thing. We're going to work on her eyes, going to work on her skin tone and everything. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can find me on YouTube at Nadia Photography. Yeah, so the editing process is going to come up in another video, so stay tuned for the editing. So I believe that we were able to get some nice pictures from our shoot. So I'm expecting to see your comments below and let me know what you think.